Look at this 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 2500 as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 has just under 5,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and Bluetooth. Call 888-571-8863 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.